Hi, I'm Josh Farguson, and welcome to Health Insurance Terminology, Roles and Responsibilities. Today we'll focus on the terms that describe the roles and responsibilities individuals have with medical insurance policies and services. Understanding these terms will help you communicate the terms accurately and save you from potential billing errors. To get the most out of this lesson, take a moment to pause the video and jot down these terms. In a few seconds, you'll see a scenario where all these terms apply, and I want you to write the character's name next to the term that best describes their role. After the scenario, we'll go over the answers together. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Meet the Wilsons, Ava and Ben, and their children Mia and Michael. One morning, Mia woke up feeling unusually tired. Her throat was sore, and she had a nagging cough that just wouldn't go away. Ben decided to take her to the doctor's office, while Ava took Michael to school before going to work. The doctor examined Mia, and after a thorough checkup, the doctor prescribed some medicine and advised Mia to rest at home. Meanwhile, Ava was at work, glancing at her phone regularly for updates from Ben. She felt comfort in having enrolled her family in her company's health insurance plan, ensuring they had the best protection for situations just like this. After the appointment, Ben gave Ava an update and stopped by the clinic's front desk. The staff explained his payment responsibility for the visit. Ben made his payment, and the clinic billed the insurance company for the remaining amount. When they reached home, Mia grabbed her favorite toys and recovered in bed.
Okay, let's review. Mia was feeling ill and was evaluated at the clinic. Since Mia was the person receiving medical care, Mia is the patient. Next is Ben, Mia's father. Ben was responsible for the bill and made the payment. So Ben is the guarantor. A guarantor is the person responsible for paying the bill. Then there's Ava. She holds the family's health insurance policy through her job. So Ava is the subscriber or policyholder. The terms subscriber and policyholder are often used interchangeably to describe the person who enrolls in, manages, and maintains the insurance plan. They ensure premiums are paid and usually have the authority to make changes to the policy. All the Wilsons are covered by Ava's insurance policy. Therefore, the entire family is insured and considered members of the insurance policy. The term insured is often used interchangeably with member and generally refers to anyone covered by the insurance policy. Mia, Ben, and Michael are also dependents because they are covered by Ava's policy. Dependents are people covered by the health insurance policy other than the subscriber or policyholder. This usually includes family members like a spouse, children, or sometimes other relatives, depending on the specific terms of the policy. As you learned today, the patient isn't always the policyholder or guarantor. Roles can vary by circumstance, so make sure to identify the roles correctly. You'll see these terms on insurance ID cards, patient intake forms, claims, and many other medical forms. So knowing these terms will help you communicate accurate information, avoid costly medical billing errors, and prevent potential misunderstandings. Alright, you learned common terms that describe the roles and responsibilities individuals have with medical insurance policies and services. Great job today for taking the time to boost your confidence with insurance terminology. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and stay blessed.